All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about bevel and emboss. So I have the layer style menu open. If you don't have it open, I'm going to hit cancel real quick and show you how to get there again. You can go to the layers panel and click on FX and then click on blending options. And that's going to open up the entire effects area where you can really look at stuff. Now, here's the other thing. We can preview what it's going to look like right here. So if I click on bevel and emboss, you can see that it bevels and embosses right here, and right up there you can see the effect. Okay, then we can edit the size, okay, so it will really show quite a bit, and we can soften it. And we could put the direction down so that it's down there instead. The depth. Okay, and then you can also do outer bevel, inner bevel, emboss, pillow emboss, and stroke emboss. Okay, smooth, you can do chisel hard and chisel soft. So we'll do just emboss like that. Then we're going to do contour. And you can select the range here. So let's do like that. And then texture. So we can edit the texture and give it kind of a wild tell you what, let's go through all of them. So I'm going to hit OK here for a second. And let's select a darker color, or a lighter color, I should say. So let's grab a red and grab the paint bucket and paint this. There, now you can really see it. All right, now I'm going to hit the move tool. Let's hit Control S to save. And then I'm going to go back in there. So if you just double click on the FX here, it'll take you right back in. So we were down here. So what I wanted to do is show you all the textures that they have available by default. So this is just the right diagonal line. Horizontal line, vertical line, grid 1. This is a, what is this? Dots. Right diagonal dash, noise. What's this one? Watercolor. Okay. Gray granite. This is a extra heavy canvas. Optical squares. This is ant farm. Water. And what is this one? Yellow mums. Okay. So let me hit OK. I'm going to do File Save. And that is how you work with bevel and emboss. Okay. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.